Welcome back to Melamic Art. This is Mikki, and today I have a wacky pack. That was a wacky pack. Now, the story behind this is that Sandrine's from Sandrine's gallery and I did a old art supply swap, and I had sent her some very silly things. And part of the reason why I sent them was I was rushing. My mom, I kind of get out the door in the morning, and it was my fault because I hadn't actually taken the time in the night to actually, you know, curate what I was sending her. So I sent her a bunch of really weird stuff. So as a apology, I sent her this great big box of other good stuff, and we've done that unboxing, and it was fun. So this time, since there is the wacky package, she sent me a wacky package. So let's open it. Okay, so let me get this out. My stool is an old art stool. I don't know if you're hearing it. I slide it around here every once in a while. It is breaking, and one of these days I am going to just fly across the floor. So hopefully I can afford a new one soon. Let's see. I want to just rip it open, I think. Yeah, I think that's going to happen here. So she said it's fragile, and she got a couple smileys because it's the wacky pack. Okay, here we go. Oh geez. Oh, she sent something, a bonus. Look at this. Oh my word. A bonus, and oh, look at these. Some very interesting items. Actually, I am very interested in those items. Oh, look. Oh my word. She sent me Godiva masterpiece. Oh, I don't know, probably a chocolate, and Ghirardelli dark chocolate blueberry. I'm gonna savor that. And what else we got here? Oh my word. What did she send me? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? That is a lot. Oh. Let me see. I just want to read this over here. They're Lowell Crennel watercolors. They may be unused. Okay, I can show this. They're 10-plus-year-old Lowell Crennel watercolors. I think they're unused. I was going to send you the full set of 24, but I ended up including only the tubes out of which the paint was squeezable. Some of them barely. Info from the box: 24 vibrant eye-catching colors in easy-to-handle plastic tubes, and then there's the list of colors, but that's it. Needless to say, they most likely are student grade. Wow, look at that! That is cool! I cannot wait to swatch these. Oh, this is awesome! Thank you, Sandrine. And then, what do I have in here? Looks like we have a sharpener. Very cute sharpener. Look at that. Little blue sharpener. And this is look at little notes. So sweet. Royal Linical Aqua Flow Brush. Watercolor painting. Never made easier. We'll see about that. Oh, there's the brush. Okay, yeah, that's a nice round. Oh, I could get behind that. That could work. Let's see. Oopsie. So the gasket came out. I don't know if... Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. So we're gonna go behind the scenes and amend that. Okay. We'll just act like that didn't happen. Okay. So there's beautiful brush. These are good pens. I have had these pens before. Let me see. So this is a Sharpie brand, and I believe they're waterproof. and alcohol proof. Let me just test the waterproofness real quick. Oh yeah, awesome pen. Thank you. Alright, so there's that. And she sent more paper. She's awesome with the paper. Look at this. She's got this cool stamp. Yeah, what have we got? Two. This is a really good way to send this. So you learn something when other people send you things. Oh, this is a little test swatch pieces. Oh, she thinks of everything. Cansen's 120-pound watercolor papers. Super cheap stuff, not even good enough for students. However, the other side might work better. You tell me. Scraps are to test your colors. Oh, she thinks of everything. Wow. So thoughtful. And another massive, amazing things, I'm sure. These. Where is the end? I just sang. That was weird. You can see me. I'm like bright red. I'm so blushing. Okay, there's that layer. Next. Oh, I already see some cool stuff in here. Oh, oops. So this is a 3H Graphite Pencil. Awesome. I'm looking for some hard lead pencils that draw really soft. This is perfect. Thank you. Oh, a nice little washable Crayola. That's cool. I can use this brush, I think. Yep. And a really apricot-y, orangey Sharpie. Let's call it orange. Orange. Or, you know, red-orange. And then we have a General's Carbon Sketch pencil. Ooh, that's the smudger. Gotta be careful with that one. And then we have a Correct Express Pentel Correction Pen. Let's see. Oopsie. That was my fault. I squeezed it too much. It was already ready. Oh, that's cool. There's an idea, right? And a Post Chalk Dry Wipe. Water-based pigment ink. Interesting. So it dries to a chalk finish, I guess. Water-based pigment ink. Keep horizontal. Okay, do that. Oh my word! I'm so excited. I'm going to swatch these out and I'll see you after. I forgot to add the bonus. She gave me a bonus. All of this stuff and she gave me a bonus. Oh my word. The only thing is I can't get it open. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. The plastic has to die, unfortunately. Sorry, plastic. Okay. Oof. So this. Oh, it says the secret word on it says sniff. Bonus is a sniff bonus. I'm going to sniff it then. Burgundy. Ooh. Oh, whoops. Oh my word, has she been making paint? Oh my word, Christmas tree green? What is this? Oh wow, this does smell like pine. Oh my word, this is Daniel Smith, Christmas tree green. And this is, I don't know. This is Schminky Cyclerite Genuine. Daniel Smith. Oh my word, she sent me real fancy paints. Oh, wow, look at this. Burgundy Yellow Ochre by Daniel Smith. She sent me all Daniel Smith. Wow. That is a bonus. Thank you. There's a little note in here. Should I read it? Wait. She sent me all these cute notes. It's like, so awesome. I love little notes. I didn't send her little notes. Like I should have sent her little notes. Yes. She gave me all the specs. This is really cool. Thank you so much, Sandrine. She's so thoughtful. I cannot believe this. I'm gonna swatch these all out and I'll be back after. It is now midnight, so I better go to bed, but I wanted to just talk about all these things. They're so cool. I didn't know these actually existed. They're actually quite vibrant. They're not bad paints at all. And they're a little bit opaque, but that's not a problem. So I was going to try this little highlighter on the nose, but now it's got a little bit of a stain to it. But all in all of these products are pretty cool. And thank you again so much, Sandrine. This was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.